Good day. I'm doing some reloading from my 416 Weatherby. I don't fire the factory loads. They're cost prohibitive. I think a box of rounds is about $300, so that's out of the question. So I just got the brass. It's probably, I don't know, I think $100 per 20. I think I would have paid for these. So $5 a case. And the usual, you're gonna loop the inside of the case neck and loop the outside of the case. Like that. I'm just neck sizing these, so I've got my full length sizing die 1.5 turns off the shell holder, and I've lowered the decapping pin. So put it through the press. The pin pops out. And the case is neck sized. About half its length is sized. Staying away from the shoulder. I want to get maximum life out of these cases. Then don't forget to clean the primer pocket. And I got Lee Precision to make me up a case trimmer. It's a custom order. And then the shell holder for this, for fitting it into to do the trimming, is a number 8. It's not an exact fit. This is like for the 4570 case. It's pretty close. I think it's good enough for purposes of trimming the case. And then you take the trimmer to it. Yeah, there isn't much trimming to do. You use this deburring tool to do the inside. It doesn't fit to the outside of the case mouth. So I use this file. Just carefully take the burr off like that, and it's done. Then the next step, of course, is to make sure the case chambers easily. Here's one that's been done. If you neck size a number of times, sometimes the shoulder moves forward a bit. You got to set it back. You got to full length resize it. And I think I'm still good with this. So you take your rifle and check it. Yeah, see, it chambers easily. Good thing this is a push feed, because if it weren't, it's a little bit tricky to do this step, but I'm fine. So that one is ready to reload. I'm going to try these Hornady 400 grain DGX bonded bullets on my next hunting trip. I haven't tried these. I've tried the 350 grain and 300 grain. They work fantastic. They should offer really good penetration and controlled expansion. So, not a recommendation for resizing your brass. I'm just demonstrating what I do. It works for me. There you have it. Neck sizing the 416 Weatherby. Thanks for watching.